so are you? Where the welcome? Said you are using okay, so general, many way I juma pay or XYZ. So clearly, we'll be sana only certificate back okra. Yadene kwa wadia war a year is my whole baby now. So are you? Where the welcome? Said you are using okay, so general, many way I juma pay or XYZ. So clearly, we'll be sana only certificate back okra. Yadene kwa wadia war a year is my whole baby now. One day, many no one daje. Then you baby none and a kudra. What in the corner, I won't say maybe. Never pay a chiame war a year or he be a him feel a year Western North. Now you bet this uncle mono. You fee one Kasongo. Now, oh, you know what? A emotional blackmail. Say or blackmail a year and this for. First of all, who need degree? Who need any qualification? You can't see a Bema position, Bennie at the Bema. It won't have a number more offices say, yeah. And he's become rusty. So, Wanya Kwasia, Abua, no intellectual firepower. And even if Julius Debra wants to help you, how is he going to help you? What is there for him to help you? You're frozen for CV, but never whilst you are supposed to upgrade yourself, you will not upgrade yourself. Any part you win election. No, Abanu or Consi and Frena Mana Medidia Mesa. And such a character. When you place yourself at that anchor, when you anchor yourself at that level, who will give you appointment? Fire. Say it here. And it's all conquer officer. They don't give you money. And that is why you are angry. Say wouldn't to me first kapudu befawa. Who wastes time be first kapudu befawa? What are wasting the time? Be ya kwasiani abuya. Happy. Enti Kasongo. Me de minuano. Don't waste your time. At this point, there is nothing the NDC can use you for. Bibi anyho. When is Steve Wonder say? We anyho. Cause position be anywhere kasi the mu shemwa. Ebeye. Suku ya ma nkobi. Upgrade ye asem upgrade mu upgrade. Da bia kwasia aboa no wa hihye we mfuru ban no wa hihye na o de besi wona your concert. So why do you think people will take you serious? Because you dress how you want to be addressed.
Exactly. So,
and you have to give yourself value. You yourself, you've not given yourself value.
Never.
You've not anchored yourself to a level that people will respect you, even when you walk to their office.
Exactly. So,
what did you 500,000 Ghana? They will not give you any position. They will not value you. Because what you want to know, you cannot be valued.
Advise him.
So you're my brother.
Call.
Yes, you insult me more often, but I don't care.
Never.
I'm only saying that look at yourself in the mirror once again. And show whom you're in the mirror.
Call.
What are you doing wrong? Why are they not taking you serious? What can you do to upgrade yourself? Even the way you present some of these things. My brother.
Call.
I mean, it's wrong. Very wrong. You must have your own path. You don't have a path. Come on, don't do this. It is a walk. And this is for Send your own quo. You can mess up Boba Kubia and also walk a munia there. Kojo, your mama ba, Yamba Kojo, or no so come. Why we are sending out Guinea Quachida. It's more the rate and $1 near Tebana, nay, your normal mamma. What would go? We are said 2008, Goldman Sachs and Lehman Brothers. Sir, a global recession where we are seeing undergoing. Oh, yeah, one must say, fetch any moody say, a fetch of what see, ye grady, be dear Ben, dear Ben. Goldman Sachs and Lehman Brothers say, Baba, enough fetch you Korea, or my grade or A plus. And so that's how bank in a good. Now, yeah, Tinyoman was sick. Tinyoma be it doesn't move us.
Exactly.
Kionetabai. Well, yes, settings will buy what Bennie gold reserves a winner. No, they are $2
Exactly.
Over here, US if one China for trade war in some one kakra. Now, captain, so we better do 28, no. And then you are 28. Dollar into that tank. Abochi that 12.
Which is which?
Abochi that 12. Abochi that 12. Now, okay. say when you new season yankrofo kokra nioma awosua bro nya nioma yen cry to omo be ko China no a o me $60 wo ti mi say ba for me say mi dwiri bi gu o me made that me dwiri bi gu o ai kasima jimi dollar business no a ayi agrofo ye na ayi $600 was am say me Emmanuel Nana Kwesi Oforisia, we want to hear more about the ambulance case. Has it been settled and behind the scene? In the first place, me am kofa buy. Me am kofa buy. The number see settled behind the scenes. I come and go many part of me settled behind the scenes. If I'm kwasi some could man pressure. I decide when I do what at what point and get what result.
Exactly. Told them.
You know,
I'm
sorry.
Is the who? Is the who?
We used to talk about Bronya. What about Bronya? Was that right? Why you know? Basintale, ekere yefino. Any man fantum. Okay, so Danny, there is a video a branch be complaining. And over to Basintale so, ya be a porter. Munkonkoye 5K men, 2K one. Munyani adie. Danny, a branch be ese Basintale a porter no koso. Yentino. Danny, why already a yentia branch no? Now fe Basintale sa koye Danny, fatu so, and I know Basintale so. They say no war far sports for. Wa be a porter beer. Ghana form ranchi ombobo nyina nkogu so.
Wa dane sports minister.
Or agent, sports agent.
Sports agent.
Basintale, you have to stop this. Now Michael Otiaje. Basintale, why YECU begins talks to secure slot in foreign teams for young Ghanaian footballers. And Michael Otiaje is the creme de la creme, the locus classicus of football.
Exactly.
Michael Otiaje, the one said, this one conf me small. Like I make a conf. Hey, Basintale, propaganda near stop this concept. Okay.
Exactly.
And again say Barcelona near daho ti ebiem I say okofam kola omako do omako pra wo abruchiri enti ye open slot. Stop this joke. Stop this concept. Man for na niji age wase concept.